Understanding meatloaf cooking times.
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we are going to answer a question that often comes up when cooking a meatloaf. Is the cooking time for a 375 degrees Fahrenheit meatloaf different for different sizes or shapes of meatloaf? So, without further ado, let's dive right into it.
Does the size of the meatloaf affect cooking time?
The simple answer is yes. The size of the meatloaf does indeed affect the cooking time. The larger or thicker the meatloaf, the longer it will take to cook. This is because heat takes longer to penetrate to the center of a larger piece of meat. For example, a small meatloaf that's about 1 pound might take around 45 to 55 minutes to cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, whereas a larger 2 pounds meatloaf might take 1 to 1.5 hours. Always remember, it's not just about the weight but also about the thickness of the meatloaf. A thicker loaf will take more time.
Does the shape of the meatloaf affect cooking time?
Yes, just like size, the shape of your meatloaf also plays a crucial role in how long it takes to cook. For instance, if you have a meatloaf that is taller and narrower, it will take longer to cook through to the center than a meatloaf that is shorter and wider. The latter has a larger surface area exposed to the heat, which allows it to cook faster. Always consider the shape of your meatloaf and adjust the cooking time accordingly.
How to ensure proper cooking?
Regardless of the size and shape of your meatloaf, the most reliable way to ensure it is cooked properly is to use a meat thermometer. The internal temperature of the meatloaf should reach at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, for ground beef, pork, veal, or lamb, or 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for ground turkey or chicken. Checking the temperature will help prevent overcooking or undercooking, ensuring you have a perfectly cooked meatloaf every time. So, in conclusion, yes, the cooking time for a 375 degrees Fahrenheit meatloaf is different for different sizes or shapes of meatloaf. Keep in mind that both size and shape matter, and always use a meat thermometer to ensure the meatloaf is cooked to the right temperature. I hope this video has been informative and will aid you in your next culinary adventure. Happy cooking!